Jungle walk. I'm somewhere in the jungle out of the trail system. I'm following some local animal trail. Saw some tracks a little bit earlier. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's the tiger. Who knows? Very quiet. You can just hear the river down below where I came from. I have to duck. And this is a little pond, and these are the tracks. They look like, I don't know, some kind of wild pig. I have no idea. Looks like, because the wild pigs can dig like this. Must have been an old trail because it's dug on one side and it's pretty flat and wide, but then the trees must have fallen through the years and they stopped maintaining it. Now it's used only by the animals of the forest. Pretty humid, hot. Haven't seen mosquitoes yet, but let me just show you my face. And that's me in the jungle, and that's George of the jungle. And this is my trail, if we can call this a trail. Go back to the river where there is some kind of trail still maintained. And of course nobody here. It's a forest preserve in the jungle, in some mountains in Malaysia. Big trees, big leaves. I think earlier I heard some monkeys, but they escaped away from me. And here I think it's the fallen tree. I have to go around. I have to duck. Move thorns and leaves. Oh, my feet are caught. So different from New Mexico desert hike. And now I have to find the trail. You can hear the river, and I'm not very far to get out of this. Okay, I'm back on the kind of trail I climbed on. Very steep and slippery. Everything is wet. Of course, it's raining every day, the monsoon right now. And we're back to the river. There is a little bit of sun here coming through the canopy. Okay, then we're back to the river and the main trail, if we can call this a trail. And that's the trail.